Hello everyone and welcome to this video. So today we're going to talk about the pattern, okay, which we know that right now has not come out very officially on the website of CAT, okay, though they were telling that by 20th there should be some more information coming in, but we don't have any particular number in terms of the number of questions in each section. We don't know that. However, in my previous videos, I've already told you this is going to be somewhere in the range of 20s. Okay, 225 is what we can expect in each of the sections. So let us see. Okay, let us wait for some time. Okay, in fact, if you go on the website, you will see the same thing, that either something was supposed to come on 20th of September, which nothing major has come, and like the next thing is about October. So we don't know that when in October they're going to reveal all those things. So yes, this is for sure at least that the number of questions are going to reduce. Okay, and for that the logic that we have presented is that IIM Indore only has presented or has conducted the exam for IPMAT, and I've given all those details. Please go and check that part, okay, in that video. So in this video, what I'm going to talk about, okay, in this video, we know that the number of questions are going to reduce. Now students, I know, okay, they also have this habit of keep on roaming around everywhere on the internet and searching about things. Firstly, I have told this before also that guys, please focus on your preparation. Okay, so that's why I am putting this video today, where I'm going to talk about the strategy for the average students, okay, and make sure that you guys are working on this opportunity that you have got of reduced number of questions. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end, because I'm going to discuss various aspects through which you can make this exam more favorable for you. All right, so before I go ahead, a quick reminder to subscribe to our channel in case you are new to our channel. Okay, also follow us on Instagram, because we have a few the free live lectures, the daily current affairs updates, free questions coming up on our platform, be it YouTube or Instagram. Okay, so please do subscribe and do like this video as well. All right, the first thing is lesser the duration, lesser the fatigueness that you guys are going to have. Okay, now this is, remember, okay, I am talking this from the average student perspective, because a lot of students who have given less than 5 or 6 marks, okay, because I'm in touch with a lot of students, okay, where I see that those students, when this particular update has not come up, that time they had given close to 5 to 6 marks. And one major thing that they were coming up with that, sir, by the time I reached cont section, which is the third section, okay, after 2 hours, we are completely exhausted to go for cons. And cons is even weak for those students. So what happens? You are already fatigued, okay, and then you have a section which you are not good at. So overall, your cons performance used to go down. The same student, when they went and gave mocks of NMAT, okay, when they gave mocks of SNAP, that time they felt, okay, no sir, here I don't feel much of fatigueness. That the earlier CAT was 3 hours, okay, now when they moved to NMAT, which was 2 hours thing, so suddenly they felt that no, they are not mentally that exhausted, okay, after giving NMAT. So understand, that's the advantage that you definitely are going to get here. That's the opportunity that you're going to get here, which students in the past 5-6 years have not got that. For past 5 years, we know it is a 3 hour CAT paper which is happening. So students in the past 5 years have not got this opportunity. You are getting this opportunity where your CAT exam is going to be only of 2 hours. So definitely that means you have an advantage of not being fatigued to that level, okay, that you must have got, okay, in a 3 hours of paper. That's one thing. That's a big advantage out there. Okay, that means with this, if I consider, because right now we don't know the official thing, but still based on the media release that was there on the CAT website, what we are expecting, that the flow of the sections won't change, which is the verbal, LR, DI, and cons. Now people who are of this reason that their cons usually goes wrong, because they are already fatigued here by the time they reach like 2 hours after the exam. So for those students, okay, this is going to be a major plus point, that you guys can increase your scores in cons, okay, because you should be more fresh, okay, you should not get exhausted by the time you go there. All right, that's the first thing. Next thing that I want to put on the highlight is less questions, so less confusion. Less confusion in question selection. Okay, in question selection, obviously understand, if you have to select one question out of two, it is definitely easy, right? Though you have to select like 5 questions out of 10, though the ratio is still the same, but lesser the number of questions, okay, it is always less confusion. So that is going to be another advantage, because now what we are expecting, okay, though the number is not out, but anywhere between 20 to 25 number of questions in each section is what we are expecting. I mean, and we don't expect really that the difficulty level is going to go anywhere. Okay, that's going to be the same. So considering that it is going to be majorly the same thing, which is 50% of the overall score, though it might differ from various sections, but 50 to 55% of the overall score is going to be around 99 percentile. We expect the same thing here, okay, because the difficulty level is going to be same. Considering that, okay, let's say for example they have around what, like 60 questions, if that is the pattern. Okay, so just understand, okay, the marking scheme is going to be the same, which is +3 and -1. So if the paper is going to be out of 180, that means somewhere around 90, okay, is going to be the 99 percentile. So this is, by the way, this is going to be only where the paper is, the overall paper is at a moderate or a medium level. Definitely if the difficulty level goes up and down, okay, you will have some changes here, and that is something that happens every year. And I'm talking about overall score, okay, and because though your 50-55% thing that I'm considering for overall, but if you go sectional, it might change. Okay, it might change. It might go to, for a difficult section, it might go to a 20-30% also, or for an easy section, it might go to 60-65% also. So that can change. Okay, that can go here and there. So we can't comment on that. However, the main thing that I wanted to highlight here is this, that understand, out of, let's say I'm taking average figure, out of 22 total number of questions, let's say total questions is 22. And out of these 22 questions, okay, if your job is to select 12 to 13 questions, okay, which is like with the considering the assumption of the medium level paper and all of that, definitely this is going to be a less of confusion that you guys will have in terms of doing question selection. Okay, imagine the same thing if I put it for LRDI. LRDI में आपके पास पहले कितने सेट आते थे? 8 सेट आते थे. Now that we are expecting that 5 sets might come up. So if 5 sets come up, definitely again the time that you're going to spend, okay, the confusion that you're going to have with regards to which set is going to be round 1, round 2, round 3, that is going to be less there. Okay, so this is going to be an advantage. Okay, less confusion, less fatigueness. This is an advantage for all the average students who have thought. So when I say average students, okay, a lot of people give up on CAT thinking that CAT nahi dena sir, we will give NMAT. Okay, when I say why, because even this student, like say a student who started off his preparation in the month of June, okay, that guy also comes to me and tells me that sir, the CAT nahi ho raha, mere se I'll do NMAT. The reason is CAT का level बहुत ऊपर है सर, मेरे से नहीं हो पा रहा है, 3 hours का paper है, okay, all of this. So all that things is gone now, guys. Okay, you have less number of questions, you have less amount of time. Okay, so definitely you can give it a shot. Okay, you can give it a shot. Okay, this is an opportunity, guys, which, as I said, students in the past 5 years have not got that opportunity. So please grab it. All right, so what to do till it's official? Okay, till it's official, as in as I said, okay, the numbers are not out. Okay, so the mocks right now, the institutes which are not able to give you exact number of questions and all of that. So what I expect, okay, as they have said, so by the way, it can come anytime before October also, because they have told 20th of September. So and I know, okay, management colleges are meant to give you surprises. Okay, you go to the MBA college and every day is a surprise there. So great. I mean, considering that part, okay, anytime we can get it. Okay, we can get it before October or in the first week of October. But till that, till that time, okay, what you guys are supposed to do? Okay, so this is for all my MBA students who are following me on YouTube. You guys have got access to those topic-wise tests, right? Okay, and I have always told those tough wala topic-wise tests. Okay, I know that a lot of people have not given that. Because if you look at the topic wise test, those topic wise tests is nothing but a 30-minute test where you are getting exposed to only 20 questions. Okay, and these are good tough level, or you can say difficult level questions. Okay, so it is, you see this, okay, this is what we are saying. I mean, in your CAT exam, this is going to be 40 minutes. Okay, expecting this to be a 22 questions or 25 questions, somewhere like that. So it is kind of becoming, this topic wise is kind of becoming your sectional test. This is kind of becoming your sectional test. Okay, so make sure that you guys can practice on this test. Okay, there is going to be, and this is topic specific, that's even more easier, even better in fact for you guys to perform, okay, to judge your performance in the given time. So do not let your pace of growth, your gap between the test to come down. It is not, okay, that is not a good thing, because when you have a lot of break between mocks, okay, and when you start again, that time you usually have some low score mocks in the beginning. thing. So I don't want that to happen to my students. Okay, so everyone, okay, and whoever is whoever wants to get access to our material, okay, can get in touch with us, okay, through our numbers which are given there on the YouTube channel. So you can follow us there, okay, and make sure that you guys have at least one or two topic wise, or I can say the sectional mocks, okay, that you have as per the new pattern. You guys can give that and keep pushing up the bar, okay, and make sure that you utilize the opportunity that CAT 20 has given to you. Great. So thanks for watching this video. Okay, do like the video if you liked it and share it with your friends, and do subscribe to the channel. All the best. Bye bye.